Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to draw Hello Kitty wearing this adorable bear costume. So starting off, we're going to draw the ears of the bear costume. So it's just two semicircles, one on each side of her. Then we're going to draw this connecting line at the top of the head. And then for extra cuteness, we're going to round out the rest of her head. So curve all the way and then stop so we have room for her arms. Then we're going to draw this bow on the back of her head. So we're going to start with the semicircle. And this bow is partly hidden, so we're not going to draw the whole thing. So here's one side of the bow. And then here is the other side of the bow. Perfect. Then we're just going to add two little curved lines on the inside for detail. And there's the bow on the back of her costume. We're going to go ahead and draw this curved line. Curved line. And we left a little bit of room for her actual bow, Hello Kitty's signature bow that she always wears. So we're going to draw a circle. Draw a circle. Then we're going to draw this candy corn shape. And then we're going to do it one more time. One more time. Then when that's done, we're just going to do it one more time, but smaller on the inside. So one more time, but smaller on the inside. And then we're going to draw the face on her costume. So we're going to draw a really cute bear face. So we're going to draw two ovals. Two ovals. We're going to draw the nose of the face and then the mouth. We're going to color in those eyes. We're going to color in the eyes. And there we go. We have the bear face. Isn't it so cute? Okay, we're going to move on to Hello Kitty's face. So we're going to do the same thing basically. We're going to draw two eyes and color them in. But Hello Kitty doesn't have a mouth. So we're just going to draw her nose. We're just going to draw her nose now. So we have this oval. And then in order for it to really truly be Hello Kitty, we need to add her whiskers. So she has 3 on one side, and then she has 3 on the other side. All right, there she is. Oh, she's looking so cute already. Okay, we need to finish up her body too. So we're gonna draw 1 arm, and then 2 arms. And then we need to add this connecting line for the rest of her head. Connecting line for the rest of her head. Then we're going to draw these straight lines down. Then we're going to draw these lines off to the side for her legs. And then we can go ahead and draw her feet. We can draw her feet. Then just one more connecting line right here. And then last but not least, we need to give her a little tail. And that's all there is to it. When you're done, you can go ahead and color her. I decided to make the bear costume pink, but you can make it any color you want, and I made her bows red.